And also, in case you have not been following, yesterday a fight broke between Trump and Elon Musk. Someone said ancestors has got church. They are fighting over time because all his enemies are fighting. Trump and Elon Musk are fighting. Jacob Zuma and Floyd. They've dumped each other. So Trump and Elon Musk are fighting, and it's so bad. Trump has been in support and advocating for a bill that's going to save the U.S. a lot of money. And Elon Musk does not want that. He's saying it's a disgusting bill. It's kill. They had to kill the bill. Elon Musk. So they've been back and forth yesterday, sending WhatsApping message, not WhatsApping, tweeting, and exposing secrets. Elon Musk exposing his secrets zika Trump. A friendship that is started on manipulation, on lies, on other people's names. It never ends well, by the way. So let me just show you guys a few of these tweets. And also, Elon Musk tweeted and said, without me, Trump would have lost the election. Dems would have controlled the House, and the Republicans would have been 51-49. Now, little did Elon Musk manipulate the voting system and rig the results so that Trump win? Because Trump has been very respectful of Elon Musk as well, saying that Musk has helped him to win the elections. What did Elon Musk do? Did he rig the elections? Is this why he has been throwing tantrums and thinking that he's in charge? Trump also tweeted and said, the easiest way to save money in our budget, billions and billions of dollars, is to terminate Elon's government subsidies and contracts. Trump wanted to terminate governmental subsidies and contracts. Zika Elon Musk. I was always surprised that Biden didn't do it. Then Trump also said, Elon was wearing thin. I asked him to leave. I took away his EV mandate that forced everyone to buy electric cars that nobody else wanted, that he knew for months I was going to do. He just went crazy. Elon Musk also said, time to drop the real big bomb. Donald Trump is in the Einstein files. That is the real reason they have not been made public. Have a nice day. Einstein files guys, people who are part of this group who are pedophiles. Yeah, but and a lot of clashback against Elon Musk on this tweet, because people were asking, why did you keep quiet? You supported Trump, you took him, you made him the president, you endorsed him to be in that office. Now you come here and tell us that he's a pedophile. Why are you only speaking out now? You helped his campaign, so now you want us to trust you and listen to you, or you were the one endorsing him to be the president. So let me just play this video of Trump explaining here, but ziyakhala shem, and ke mabadlane wethu mabagwazane abagwazanayo mabadlane abadlanayo chocho.
But I'm very disappointed because Elon knew the inner workings of this bill better than almost anybody sitting here, better than you people. He knew everything about it. He had no problem with it. All of a sudden he had a problem. And he only developed the problem when he found out that we're going to have to cut the EV mandate, because that's billions and billions of dollars. And it really is unfair. We want to have cars of all types. Electric, we want to have electric, but we want to have a gasoline, combustion. We want to have different. We want to have hybrids. We want to have we want to be able to sell everything. And when that was cut, and Congress wanted to cut it, it became a little bit different. And I can understand that. But he knew every aspect of this bill. He knew it better than almost anybody. And he never had a problem until right after he left. And if you saw the statements he made about me, which I'm sure you can get very easily, it's very fresh on tape, he said the most beautiful things about me. And he hasn't said bad about me personally, but I'm sure that'll be next. But I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot.